is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, tonight we're gonna make a regular Deco mesh wreath on a Unique and the Creek board. I originally painted this board to test with Christmas, but y'all, this cute little fall sign that we have in our shop has green accents all over it, and most likely all the green sign's gonna be covered anyway. Y'all, so this one, I just tried to spray paint. So I am adding a pipe cleaner in every other hole around the board. So on the inside we'll have every other one covered. On the outside, we'll have every other one covered. So this is gonna take 16 pipe cleaners total. All right, to start off the funky color, we're gonna go with this 21-inch black and white. All right, so we're gonna take our 21-inch mesh, we're gonna fold over, and then on the outside edges, we're gonna fold those in. Okay, then we're gonna ruffle it. That way, every time we pull and poof, it's going to automatically start to fold in on itself, and it's going to make a really nice poof for us, all right? So we're going to do 10-inch poofs on the inside twist tie. Get it nice and tight. Air turned off. Nice and quiet. All right. We're going to go 10 inches out and just make our little poofs. So let's try something different tonight. Let's do 25-inch ruffles on the outside and 20 on the inside and see what it looks like. So we're going to cut 8 at 20. All right. Let's do our 25. All right. We're going to take our 25, curl the edges just a little bit. Ruffle it in, flip it over so you can see the curls, and then we're going to add these all the way around the outside. So here's our 20-inch pieces. Curl the edges. All right, and now we're gonna add these all the way around the inside. Now I'm attaching it right on top of the poof. So we only have 2 lines, top and bottom. So the top one had 10-inch poofs with 21-inch mesh. Then on the outside, we had 25-inch ruffles. And on the inside, we added 20-inch ruffles on top of the black and white that was there. So now we just have those little pops of black and white. You can see the center. All right, this is the sign we're using. So y'all, what this does is it has a little needle right here, and you can take it and you just poke a hole right through your metal sign. All right. Now, you can either take a pipe cleaner or a floral wire and run it right through the hole. Now we're just going to get this little guy attached right here. So, we've got our sign on there. Now we can make our bow. All right, we're going to give ourselves a good 12-inch tail. We're going to give it a good pinch down the middle. Give it a good twist. All right, measure out 6.5 to 7 inches. All right. Cut our tail around 8 inches. All right, on this one, I'm going to rotate between colors because I want to use 2 ribbons that are both sunflower, 3 sunflower ribbons. So we got to mix those up a little bit. All right, measure out an 8-inch tail. Give it a good twist. Get our tail up here. Our loop just slightly smaller. Whoa, calm down, friend. Slightly smaller. I make bows look easy. I've been doing bows for a long time, and they're really not that hard once you get used to them. This is a variation of a terry bow, that's right. Y'all, I'm gonna pull this one and this one and rotate them. And then just finish that with a little yellow center loop. How many do I use on average? Ribbons? Anywhere between 5 and 10. Slide our bow off, wrap our pipe cleaner. All right, so we're gonna add our giant bow right down here. All right, now we can do our ribbon tails. All right, so I think these are gonna be our colors for the tails. All right, so we're gonna need 4 of these at 13 inches. So we're cutting our ribbon tail at 13 inches. So now we're going to add 1 set of ribbon tails all the way around the outside. So we're going to take them, fold them in half. All right. Then we're going to just take our area outside where we added our mesh, and we're going to add our ribbon tails right into there. You can get all the supplies from decoexchange.com. So y'all, I'm going to start dovetailing my bow. All right, let's look at it. Too bad you can't see it. Let me zoom out. So, it's cute.